Hello, welcome to CCH SureTax, an overview. My name is Ed Jantz, and I'm a lead product manager at Wolters Kluwer. Today I'll be demonstrating why CCH SureTax is the trusted solution for real-time, accurate tax calculations and reporting from the industry leader in tax research. I'm excited to walk you through the newly redesigned CCH SureTax platform. The principal focus of this redesign is to save you time. We accomplish this in 3 ways. First, we reduce the number of screens by 30%, simplifying data entry and eliminating redundancy. Second, we standardize the interface and elements. Now, the CCH SureTax UI includes 3 basic elements. First is cards. Think of these like nouns. It's a person, a place, or a thing, or in our case, a location, a SKU, a nexus, or a customer. Next, you have accordions. These are like folders. They hold things, like cards. Finally, we have slide outs. These provide you with the details about the selected card. To show you, let me click on this SKU, and you'll see that all the details are contained here on the slide out. Oh, and if this SKU happened to be part of a sales tax holiday, that information will be included in these fields here. The third way that we are helping save you time is by bringing more transparency to the user interface. Now, CCH SureTax users will always see where they are in the system and know how to find their way home. Oh, and speaking of home, now when a user wants to get home, you simply click the Wolters Kluwer logo at the top left. Now let's take a quick look at a few exciting new features of our redesigned header. Our new menu system allows direct access to features without having them buried within other features. On the right-hand side of the header, we find the plus link, which is my favorite way to quickly and easily add transactions, customers, nexus, and more. Next to that, we have our search tool, which has been enhanced with new search criteria, allowing users to more easily find the data they need. There's that time savings again. As you can see, there are many ways to search, but let's say we wanted to quickly find an invoice. Now, all we would need to do is select transaction from the area dropdown, and then select invoice from the field dropdown. From there, all the matching invoices display below. Next, select the transaction ID and review the details. Once you've finished, click the Wolters Kluwer logo and you're home. Here, we see the notification bell. This is new to the system and is designed to notify users when offline activities have been completed. Let me give you an example. Let's say that you have 1,000 SKUs that you need to import into the system. Simply go to the import screen. Here you'll have the option of selecting what you want to import. Now, you'll find that almost everything can be imported. And why is that again? Oh yeah, that's right, because we wanted to save you time. So you select SKUs and have the ability to download a sample file, but this is something that you do all the time, so you already have the sample file. So let's upload the file from your desktop. Click Next. Now you need to ensure that the field mapping is correct. All you have to do is click Next and then simply walk away. When you get back from that coffee break or lunch, you'll have a wonderful notification that tells you the import is complete. It's that simple. Now we all know that not every file import is perfect. Why is that? In this case, perhaps because someone, maybe me, forgot to add the 0 before the 1 on the regulatory code, but I don't know. Now with the new redesign, you only need to fix the items with errors. You no longer need to redo the entire import process. There's that time savings again. Moving on, let's look at how we support our CCH SureTax users. On the top right, users have access to their profile settings, which allows you to do the normal user maintenance activities and set cool user-specific defaults, like being able to set the default search criteria, which is nice if you're always searching for the same thing. Again, that time savings. In addition to the user settings, we have developed a valuable help section that includes a user guide with screen-level support. Here is one of them. If for some reason you need more in-depth information or clarification, our support link provides users the ability to both submit a ticket and live chat with our support team. Now let's look at the dynamic, at-a-glance CCH SureTax dashboard. The dashboard consists of 2 sections: summary cards and an interactive map. The summary cards provide high-level data. Think 30,000-foot view. Here you can see monthly data for SKUs, line items, and revenue, and our exemption certificate card provides all the important information you need to know about expiring certificates. Below that, we have our interactive map, which allows you to instantly start drilling down into important data. For example, let's take a look at locations. You'll see by simply clicking on a state that we can start to drill down to see all of our locations in Georgia or California. Even Canada is just a click away. From there, you can simply select the appropriate card and review all of the information in the slide out. There are times when you need to really drill down into the data, so good reports are a must, and CCH SureTax has good reports. Just navigate to the reports page, then pick a report that has already been generated, or simply select the report you want and then generate it. Now you can take the report and use it for your monthly tax compliance, regulatory reporting, audit defense, and anything else you need. And speaking about details, CCH SureTax has details, transaction details. Our transaction details interface has been completely redesigned with 2 levels of granularity. First, we provide the standard details, which allow users to review a transaction and do things like research taxability. We even include an override description that allows you to see the reason for tax being applied. Below that, we have our Calc log section, which provides additional information about actual calculations and is a great place to go to when you need to review your tax-on-tax calculations. Finally, let's click on the Wolters Kluwer logo one last time and go back home. Thank you for joining me today. I hope this has given you a better look at all the newly redesigned features and functionality of our amazing platform. Please contact us today for more information on how CCH SureTax can provide you with the tools, reports, and options you need to stay in compliance with sales and use tax requirements.